بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Tackle. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense tackles, present participle tackling, past tense, past participle tackled. If you tackle a difficult problem or task, you deal with it in a very determined or efficient way. Synonyms: deal with, take on, set about, wade into. There are many ways of tackling this problem.
Tap. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense taps, present participle tapping, past tense, past participle tapped. If you tap something, you hit it with a quick light blow or a series of quick light blows. Synonyms: knock, strike, pat, rap. She tapped me on the shoulder.
Tempt. Word forms, third person singular present tense tempts, present participle tempting, past tense, past participle tempted. If you tempt someone, you offer them something they want in order to encourage them to do what you want them to do. Synonyms: entice, lure, lead on, invite. He saw the money on the table and he tempted to steal it.
Throb. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense throbs, present participle throbbing, past tense, past participle throbbed. If a place throbs with life, energy, etc., it has a lot of life, etc. Synonyms: pulsate, beat, palpitate, pound. His heart was throbbing with excitement.
Thrust. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense thrusts, present participle thrusting, past tense, past participle thrust. If you thrust something or someone somewhere, you push or move them there quickly with a lot of force. Synonyms: push, force, shove, drive. She thrust her money into my hand.
Thump. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense thumps, present participle thumping, past tense, past participle thumped. If you thump something, you hit it hard, usually with your fist. Synonyms: strike, hit, punch, pound. He thumped on the door.
Tickle. Word forms, third person singular present tense tickles, present participle tickling, past tense, past participle tickled. When you tickle someone, you move your fingers lightly over a sensitive part of their body, often in order to make them laugh. Synonyms: stroke, pet, shuck, touch lightly. She tickled the baby's feet.
Tidy. Word forms, third person singular present tense tidies, present participle tidying, past tense, past participle tidied. When you tidy a place such as a room or cupboard, you make it neat by putting things in their proper places. Synonyms: neaten, straighten, put in order, order. She made her bed and tidied her room.
Toss. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense tosses, present participle tossing, past tense, past participle tossed. If you toss something somewhere, you throw it there lightly, often in a rather careless way. Synonyms: throw, pitch, hurl, fling. I tossed the paper into the bin.
Trip. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense trips, present participle tripping, past tense, past participle tripped. If you trip when you are walking, you knock your foot against something and fall or nearly fall. Synonyms: stumble, fall, fall over, slip. She tripped and broke her hip.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much. Do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing British Institute on YouTube. It is all for you.